quadratic equation is already continued. Now today we are different method. Last time we are solved a completing square method. Now today here quadratic formula. A new method is quadratic formula. Here we are use a quadratic formula and solve the different type of sums. Okay, first of numerical and second things is a word problem. Word problem next video. Now today here is a numerical. Important things how to use the quadratic formula. But first of what is a quadratic formula? Quadratic formula, that means x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, now this is a simple formula for quadratic formula. What is a, b and c? Now here first off, we know that in chapter number 2, in a polynomial, a standard form of quadratic polynomial, okay, ax square plus bx plus c. Here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is our standard form. Now compare with the standard form the given equations and find out a, b and c. Okay, now today we are solving a numerical by quadratic formula. Just 4 sums and guaranteed you know very well the method of quadratic formula. Okay, only 4 sums. Now start our first sums in your examples. Taking the example first. Okay, something that 3x square in examples given that 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. That is a given of in example in your textbook. Now solve by these numericals quadratic formula. Okay, now first step is compare with a standard formula. Standard formula, that's our ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It's a standard form of quadratic equations. Okay, now compare with this equation, standard equation with our given equations. Okay, now here compare with these equations. Then a is equal to x square is equal to x square as it is. But a is equal to 3. Now a is equal to 3. Then b is equal to here. Compare with this 5. No. B is equal to, here is a plus b, but here is a minus 5. That means the value of b is minus 5. Okay, and c. What is, compare this equation. Now given that c is equal to 2. Okay, now we are ready the different a, b, c, the values. Now put this value in our quadratic formula. Now quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now minus b means what? Minus 5. Okay, now plus minus under root b square. B square means minus 5 whole square minus 4. A means 3. C means 2. Okay, now denominator 2 and a means 3. Now clear the, put the value of a, b, c in the quadratic formula. Now solve these equations. Here minus plus 5 plus minus under root minus square, that is a positive, and 5 square is a 25. Okay, now 8 is a 12, 12 twos are 24. Here is a 24. And denominator is a 3 twos are 6. Now 5 plus minus under root 25 minus 24, that is a 1. Okay. Now divided by 6. Here the two values are given that plus and minus. Plus minus means what? Here the value of x is one time plus and other is minus. Okay. Now x is equal to 5 plus. What is the value of under root 1? Yes, it is a 1. That means 5 plus 1 by 6. And second thing is x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 6. This is the two values are given that plus and minus. Then one time plus and second time minus. Okay. Now x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 by 6. X is equal to 1. And x is equal to 5 minus 1, then 4 by 6. Is given that now cut the value of 4 by 6. That is a 2 2s are and 2 3s are. The value of x is 2 by 3 and other is 1. This is our two roots of these equations. Okay. Now very easy method is in this chapter is quadratic formula. Okay. Now fast again second questions. Okay. I hope you understand very easy and very clear. Okay. Now go to the second our questions. Second question we take in our exercise. Okay, in textbook given that exercise something difficult, something different. In your exercise given that second example that it's a root under root 4x square, 4x square that 2 root 3 2 root 3x plus 4 root 3x and something that for plus 3. Yes, plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then 4x square plus 4 root 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Here that in this question is in your textbook. Okay, exercise. Now solve this equation as it is quadratic formula. Okay, now first off we compare our quadratic formula, standard form of quadratic equations, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now compare this equation, both are, then a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Now here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Okay. Now put the value of a, b, c in our quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Sure. X is equal to, put the value minus b equivalent, then 4 root 3. Okay. Plus minus under root 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 a mean a, the value a is 3 and c is also 3. Sorry, here is a 4. Oh, it's a is equal to 4. Okay now, and here 2, the value of 4. Compare with these equations, that is a 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3. Okay, now clear, a is equal to 4 and solve this equation. 4 root 3 plus minus under root, what is it? 4 square. 4 square means 16. The root 3 whole square, yes, it is a 3. Okay, now 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are, okay, again 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. Here is a 8. Now minus 4 root 3 plus minus under root 16 3s are. Okay. That is a 48 minus 48. Here the value of denominator is 8. Okay, now here first we have understood first things. In first examples, here b square minus 4ac is given the value is 1. You know that? Remember, in a first examples, here b square minus 4ac, the value is 1. That means greater than 0. The value is greater than 0. But here is a 48 minus 48. That means the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. In example number 1, the value is greater than 0. Here is a equal to 0. What is the difference? Okay. Remember in your mind, if b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anybody, that means greater than 0, the all positive number, natural numbers, okay, the value of b square minus 4ac, that means two different roots. Here we know that in example number 1, we discussed first of example number 1, the given two roots x or second x. That means two different roots are given there. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are two different distinct roots. Okay. Here 48 minus 48, that means b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. That means the two roots are equal. Okay. How? Now here first x is equal to minus 4 root 3. Okay, 4 root 3. Then first value is plus and second value is minus. 48 minus 48, that is a 0 and divided by 8. Second thing is x is equal to minus 4 root 3 minus 0 divided by 8. What is the value of plus 0 and minus 0? The nothing. That means x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8. And x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8. That means you know very well the two roots are equal. Now cut the value. Here is a 2 and also 2. The x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 and here minus root 3 by 2. Two equal roots. Okay, this is our two equal roots. When b square minus 4ac in an under root, b square minus 4ac value is 0, then two equal roots. If the value is greater than 0, then two different roots. Okay, and if suppose less than 0, that means not possible. Okay, the answer here will write the answer. The roots are not possible. Okay, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, अगर वो नेगेटिव है, then answer is not possible because we cannot find out under root minus under root. Okay, the value of minus we cannot find and not a possible. Okay, not a possible for the value of negative of under root. Okay, that means three conditions are here. It's actually related to next our points, nature of roots, but here also useful that. Okay, first thing is, if the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two distinct rules. If b square minus 4ac is 0, that means two equal roots, and b square minus 4ac is equal to is less than 0, that answer is not possible. Roots are not possible. Okay, now next question is something different and something hard. Okay, sure. Now again, third sum. Third sum is some points are different. First off, third, 1 upon x minus 1 upon this sum is given that in your examples. Okay, x minus 2 and is equal to, the value is finally 3, and x is not equal to 0 and 2. Okay, what is the meaning of x is equal to not the 0 and 2? Okay, it's a confusion. No, it's not confusion. If we are take x is equal to 0, then here the value is 0. We put a 0. Then 1 by 0, what is the value of 1 by 0? It's undefined. Okay, not possible. Because 0 in our 9th standard we are already studying it's a p by q form. Rational numbers are in a p by q form where q is not equal to 0. This is our q and q is not equal to 0. Second thing is 2. Why given that 2 0? Then understood, because here 1 by 0, that is not the possible, because their value is infinite and undefined. Okay, but 2, because here if we are putting the value of x is 2, then 2 minus 2, oh 0, then 1 by 0 again. Oh, it's not possible. Okay, that means here if we solve a sum, that values of x never become 0 and 2. Okay, now different two values of x we have. So now first of 1 by x minus 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 3. This is a complex sentence, complex questions. Okay, now we convert in a reduce, and it's a very easy, convert into the very easy equations. Okay, how? Now let's start. It's an LCM. Take a LCM. We have take LCM. X and x minus 2 is that LCM. Now x minus 2, here only x. Now multiply by x minus 2. That means it's a cross multiply. We have to done, it's a cross multiply. Now x minus 2 into 1, that is a x minus 2, and minus here x multiply 1, that is a x, and divided by x minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, now here go open the brackets. Okay, x minus 2 minus x, and denominator multiply by x with bracket, then x into x square minus x into minus 2, that is a minus 2x, is equal to 3. Here x positive, x negative, that means cut these 2x. What is the remaining? Minus 2. X square minus 2x is equal to 3. Now x square minus 2 is in a denominator, goes to right side. Now multiplications. Okay, then minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 2x. Okay, now here multiply, minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 3 is 6x. Okay, now minus 2 given that right side, what is our equations? 3x square minus 6, and minus 2 is goes to the right side, that is a plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now our reduced equations is ready, and simply form. This is a complex form, this is a simply forms. we are converted a complex form to simple form. Okay, now now apply this quadratic formula. First off, we compare a standard formula, that is a is equal to 3 and b is equal to what? Yes, it is a minus 6. Okay, and c is equal to 2. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Okay, now divide by 2a. Okay, now put this value a, b, c in these equations. Okay, minus b, that means minus 6. What is the value of b? It's a minus 6. Now next, plus minus under root. What is the value of b? That is a minus 6. Then minus 6 whole square. Okay, now 4, a means what? It's a 3. Okay, and c means what? 2. Okay, divided by 2 and a means 3. Okay, now we solve these equations. Minus minus plus, that is a plus 6, plus minus under root. Minus square is a positive and 6 square 36. Okay, minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay, now divided by 3 2s are 6. Again, oh, sometimes some Mahapurush, okay, then given that name is Mahapurush, कुछ ऐसे होते हैं, okay, that's cut 6 to 6. Then otherwise 636. How to cut these equations? 6 and 6 never be, because these two equations, the two values are addition and subtraction each other. Then we are not cut these numbers. Okay, if their numbers are in multiplications, then we have cut. Okay, otherwise we cannot be cut these two equations, numerator and denominators. If like same but not cut, because their two values are in form of addition and subtractions. Okay, now convert this is first of addition subtraction after 1 is given, after 1 we are cut here. Now 6 plus minus under root 36 minus 24. What is the value? It's a 12. Okay, and now value is 6. Okay, if we are given put this value here and stop this value here, this is a right, but we are we are something new. Okay, we are trying our best. Okay, now go to the next step. X is equal to 6 plus under root 12 divided by 6, and other x is, okay, 6 minus root 12 by 6. Okay, but here the LCM, this is our right answer. Okay, but abhi bhi aage jana hai, then we have tried something base steps, like x is equal to 6 by 6 plus then under root 12 by 6, and x is equal to second things is equal to 6 by 6 minus root 12 divided by 6. This is our LCM. Okay, the value of denominator is given, that first step and second term steps given, that both the given that. Now cut the value of 1, and here x is equal to 1, but root 6 or root 12 means what? It's a multiplication forms. How? The root 12 is root 6 into root 2. Then root 6 into root 2, that is a root 12. And 6 means what? 6 means root 6 into root 6. Okay? Now cut this value, root 6 and root 6, then plus. What is the remaining? Then root 2 and root 6 is remaining. Root 2 and root 6. This is also answer is right. Okay, now here also x is equal to 1 minus root 2 by root 6 as it is. Okay, one time plus and one time minus. This is our answer. This answer is also right and this also is right. Okay, we are doing animal. Okay, clear. Now we are going fourth, something different and difficult. Okay, sure. Now our question number 4. We are taking this question number 4 in our exercise. Okay, different questions. We are solving fourth 1 upon x plus 4. Then second thing is minus 1 upon x plus 7. Okay, and is equal to something 11 by 30. Here x is not equal to minus 4 and here minus 7. Yes. Okay. Here, okay, something here is a minus. That means x is equal to 0. Okay. Sure. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 3. Here x is not equal to minus 4 and 7. Why? Because if we are putting the value of x is minus 4 minus plus then cut and 0. The 1 upon 0 is undefined terms. Then we cannot solve these equations. Okay. And second thing 7. If we are here the value of x is 7. Then 7 minus 7 that is a 0. 1 upon 0 that is a undefined terms. And we cannot solve these equations. Okay. That means the value of x we cannot take minus 4 and 7 in a whole solve questions. Okay, and the roots are also not coming from x is equal to minus 4 and 7. Other number is maybe possible, but this number is impossible in these questions. Okay, now solve these equations. Take a LCM first step. Okay, now here x minus 7 is multiplied here and x plus 4 is multiplied here. That means x minus 7 minus, we draw a bracket because our dangerous side is minus. Now x plus 4 is multiplied by 1, that is a x plus 4. And denominator, the two numbers are LCM, taking LCM these two numbers, that means multiply by these two numbers, x plus 4 and x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Okay, now open this bracket, x minus 7 minus x, here minus plus minus 4 and divided by multiply by these two brackets. Okay, that is a x square, x minus 7 that is minus 7x, here is a plus 4x and 4 7s are 7 4s are 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Okay, now here minus x plus x cut, then what is the value? Minus, here is a minus 11. Okay, and now x square, here remaining what? Minus 7x plus 4, that means minus 3x. Minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Now here is numerator 11. Here is also numerator is 11. If suppose this 11 is multiplied in right side, if we are goes to left, this is left side, 11 is goes to the right side. What is the condition? What is the position of 11? 11 goes to the denominator because here is a numerator and goes to the denominator. Then 11 is denominator, then 11 cut. Now we are no more steps doing this. Now here is also cut 11. Okay, now remaining what? Minus 1 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 by 30. Okay, Now 30 is given here in the left side and this equation goes to the right side. Okay. Now minus 30 is equal to this equation right side, then x square minus 3x minus 28. Okay. Minus 30 goes to the right side, then x square minus 3x minus 28 and minus 30 given goes to the right side, that is a positive. Negative to positive, 30 is equal to 0. Then remaining is x square minus 3x, here minus 28 plus 30, that is a plus 2 is remaining, 0. Now what is the A? 1. B minus B, C 2. Okay. A, B, C, the value is ready. Okay, now put the value in this equation quadratic formula. Okay, now x is equal to, okay, this is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac and divided by 2a. Now put this value of a, b and c. B means minus. Here is a minus taking from formula, but the value of b is minus 3, that means minus 3 plus minus under root. What is the value of b? Minus 3 whole square minus 4. A means what? 1. B, c means what? The value of 2. Okay, now 2 and a means what? 1. Minus minus plus, plus minus under root. Minus 3 square, minus 3 square, that is a 9, minus 4 to the 8. Okay, now denominator is 2 ones are 2. Now solve these equations. 3 plus minus under root 1 divided by 2, it's a value of x, but here is a plus minus, that means the value of x is one time plus and other is a minus. The x is 3 plus 1 divided by, because we know that the roots of 1, square roots of 1 is 1. Okay, and other things, x is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, now x is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. 4 divided by 2, that is a 2. Okay, this is our first value. And here is a 3 minus 1, 2. 2 divided by 2, that is a 1. Other value is 1. Okay, one things. B square minus 4ac. What is the value of b square minus 4ac? That is a 1. That means greater than 0. If the value of b square minus 1 is greater than 0, that means the value is two different things. Two different values, two different roots. Okay. Clear? Now 4 sums are clear. Okay. Now if any query, then in our live class we have solved this your query. Okay. Now today your homework. What is your homework? Then remaining sums in examples and exercise like numerators. Okay. Then in question number 1 and question number 2 they are solving. Okay. Then your homework is question number 1, question number 2 and examples, the remaining sums. Okay. Clear? Okay students, I hope you are very clear and very understood in this method quadratic formula. Okay. Enjoy. Okay. Now we are complete this quadratic formula in numerical forms, but the remaining is word problems. Word problem is remaining, that means we are solving a word problem in our next video. Okay students, thank you, bye bye.